Don't have time to read the entire article? We've prepared this summary you can listen to right now or save to your playlist. Are you grappling with the challenges of maintaining a competitive edge in today's business landscape? You're not alone. A staggering 92% of businesses are opting for IT infrastructure outsourcing. It offers many conveniences that seem as if you're consolidating a global expertise network. So what's in it for you? Let's break it down. Outsourcing your IT infrastructure eliminates the financial burden of an in-house department. You pay only for what you need, making budgeting easier. Specialized IT companies bring a wealth of knowledge. They keep you updated with the latest technologies and industry trends. Specialized providers handle complex areas like information security and regulatory compliance. This shields you from data breaches and penalties. With IT managed externally, your team can concentrate on what they excel at. This boosts productivity and innovation. As your business evolves, your IT needs will too. Outsourcing offers the flexibility to scale services up or down as required. Outsourcing exposes you to cutting-edge technologies and innovative problem-solving methods. This keeps you ahead of the curve. Finally, many providers offer 24/7 support. Immediate response and quick issue resolution minimize downtime. These providers adhere to international best practices, ensuring a robust and resilient IT infrastructure. Interested in diving deeper? The full article is available on our website. Don't forget, you can also add this summary to your Spotify playlist for future reference.